Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling iCloud photos on each device and connecting to a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. This reduces packet loss and speeds uploads. Once done, plug your device into power so the OS allows background transfer at full speed. Next, open Photos and scroll to force the app to wake background upload threads. This triggers the first sync bundle. Make sure low power mode is off, and mobile data sync is allowed if you need uploads away from Wi-Fi. Now you optimize how media is uploaded. Choose originals if you have iCloud storage space, because compressing on the fly adds overhead. Otherwise, select high efficiency. Then prune or temporarily disable live photos, burst sequences, or long videos that hog bandwidth. Convert or trim them locally first. Also close background apps and pause streaming or cloud backups that compete for upload bandwidth. Once the queue shrinks, Photos prioritizes remaining items and finishes faster. Repeat to finish. Monitor upload status in Photos to confirm remaining items are processing. If progress stalls, pause and resume iCloud Photos to restart transfers. If that fails, sign out and sign back into iCloud. This forces a reindex and can clear sync conflicts. Make sure you have the latest OS updates. Apple patches often fix upload bugs. As a last resort, reset network settings to clear misconfigured DNS or VPNs. If you try these steps and still have issues, contact support with diagnostic logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.